Usually we go in to talk about our product or a service or a specific need. And when this group comes together, they're representing an entire ecosystem and therefore representing public health, community health, or issues that not only impact the state of Minnesota, but also impact anywhere from 15 to all 50 states. And so when legislators, either from the House or the Senate, meet with us, they have a different kind of conversation. And the conversation is both a sharing of the issues that they are dealing with in the House and the Senate, but then it's a conversation back and forth from each of these individuals, and not only the companies they represent, but the integrative approach that they begin to then bounce off of each other that sparks conversation that is more transformative.
So what is so essential about Medical Alley is it is a collaboration across healthcare. So that ecosystem of healthcare is so critical in telling our story together and talking about how healthcare works in concert. So being here in DC is so critical right now because it allows us not to come from an individual voice, but from an ecosystem of how do we invest in health and wellness across the board for everybody and work together to deliver outcomes.
Just a high amount of interest from the elected representatives, not just in Minnesota, but outside of Minnesota. Encouraged to see a lot of talk, at least amongst the Minnesota delegation, about bipartisanship and the ability to talk to each other about issues. Square focus on some of the issues that I think are most important to us, like workforce. You know, we're all going to have to figure that piece out, and I think there's a lot of creativity going there. Realization starting to dawn on people about some of the challenges that Medicare and Medicaid are facing. I think people kind of knew them in the back of their minds, but really didn't want to have to think about them forefront. I think that's coming forward. And I think that's going to spur a lot of additional innovation. So very encouraged.